Let's start our adventure and learn new things about one of the 7 natural wonders of Portugal, Ria Formosa Natural Park. Find out the park area. The area of the Natural Park of Ria Formosa occupies 18,000 hectares, which is the average length of the interpretive pedestrian walk. The interpretive pedestrian walk through the park has an average length of 1 hour and 30 minutes. What is this highly sensitive lagoon system of international importance? Ria Formosa is covered by the Ramsar Convention and the Bern Convention and was considered a wetland of world interest. It is also part of the Natura 2000 network as a Special Protection Zone (SPA) and a Special Conservation Zone. It is referred to as the Important Bird Area (IBA) and has recently been voted one of the 7 natural wonders of Portugal. Name 2 species we can find in the pine woodlands. We can find umbrella pine and the maritime pine. What does the action of the wind, currents and tides annually drag? The action of wind, currents and tides annually drag hundreds of thousands of tons of sand and unceasingly change the outline of the islands. Name 1 frequent bird in the Limicola birds section. The most common birds are the egret, the grey heron, the mosquito, the white stork, the red leg and the sandpiper common. The camao or sultana hen porphyrio, an emblematic species of the park, is noteworthy. What does IBA stand for in the pond birds section? IBA stands for Important Bird Area. Which industry used the Roman salting tanks? The fish salting industry. What is the purpose of the RIA Center? The purpose of this center is to rehabilitate injured or captive animals with a view to their return to the wild under conditions that allow them to survive in freedom. What does the name chameleon mean? The name chameleon means lion of the earth and is derived from the Greek words chamai, on earth on the ground, and leon, lion. It was introduced in the Iberian Peninsula at the end of the century.